guys, and welcome again to the vlog. For the past, I would say 3 months now, have been learning how to tandem with other cars with my Z. Problem is, when I've been drifting, I haven't had a hydro. I've been clutch kicking, I've been pulling on the e-brake, and really, it's just not working out anymore. And when I'm with another car, I need to be able to actually have a hydraulic e-brake to be able to throw the rear end out and adjust where I'm going. So it's been a little bit hard without it, but today finally comes down to the day that I'm gonna be hooking it all up, getting it welded in, and hopefully we'll have it all done by tonight. Basically what I've done is I've gone to the Z for the last couple of days and rearranged the entire center console, which I'll show you in a minute. I took out the radio, put the AC control somewhere else, and made space for the hydro. But I'll show you what we have and what we're going to be installing. So this here is the hydro we are going to be putting in. This is the Sikky reverse mount. Basically, instead of it going towards the cylinder, it goes backwards. So we're gonna actually put this where the radio used to be. But as you can see, we have removed the entire center console. These are the brake pads. We are doing a dual caliper setup. This is the brackets for the dual caliper. So this is gonna go onto the rotor on the back. It's gonna hold one set of calipers here, another set here. That's the other side. These are the brake lines, stainless steel brake lines that are pre-made. We're just gonna hook those up to the hydro. There's more of them. But yeah, I've got the calipers over in my shed, but it's just a set of stock calipers and pads, which they're gonna work fine. I don't have the Brembo ones on my car because it's a base model, but it should work. I'll show you what I did on the Z, what I removed, and where we're at right now. Alright, so basically I removed the entire center console. There was just like one bolt on this side, one bolt on that side, some bolts up here, and then just all lifts off. But we're gonna be putting the reservoir back in there where the radio used to be. And the AC controls were down here. We relocated them to up here, took the radio out, and I mean, we could even put a single dent in here if we wanted a radio. But once we get it installed, I'm gonna try to mount the hydro like right here. Maybe put a plate in and have it welded, so that way it sticks here and we can just pull it back. But then once we get that in, I'm gonna try to put the entire center console back in, maybe trim it so that all this stuff's covered. Because I don't know, I don't like the way it looks. There's some bolts that stick up, and I could like hit my arm on it while I'm drifting. But that's what we're doing. We're actually we're gonna be going back up to Jacksonville, which is the same people that that welded my diff, full drift shop. And they do really good work. Actually, in the video where we went to Gainesville, the guy Luciano that I was drifting with is one of the guys that works there, so we'll probably see him out there today. And they're gonna weld this in. I want to have them do the rest of the hydro, but I actually am gonna do it myself when I get home. I just have to have them weld it because I don't have a welder. But yep, I'm gonna load everything up and then we're gonna head out. Alright, so we're here at Full Lock. They're looking at where the hydro is going to be mounted, and we might have to put a plate in there to kind of build it up, and then we're going to weld it in. I want to show you some of the cars they have over here. They do amazing work. They welded my diff way back when I first got the car, and they got some crazy builds here, as you can see.
Came up as a church boy with my dukes on weekends. Waking up at like 6, man, you don't get paid if you sleep in, man. You don't know where I come from, you don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say shit about all the bread that I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm getting trash, gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like Trinidad. Trick, I'm the man, act like you know me, popping off like a semi. Man, I rap like it's loaded, I mean my crew hot, your crew not. We too sick, no flu shot, on this side it's all big. Man, I ain't dissing on Tupac, just East Coast, all East Coast. These young bloods don't know better, most of y'all got no no chill. They'll get it poppin' in snow weather. Some kids just need love, they'll put in work for like no cheddar. Looking up to them dope boys, they got bands like Coachella. Yeah, just remember, I might have your girl for dinner. I'm the man year round, January to December.
She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it, I said don't think about it.
Bro, we hooking up this hydro, trying to find a good surface right here for it to stay steady. And we're gonna weld it on, boy.
So we're trying to clean up all in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a bunch of plastic and glue and crap in there. So we're gonna clean that up, that way we can get some nice solid welds in. All right, so we cleaned it up some. We've got all of that gunk taken out, and then we're just trying to clean everything up. That way we can do some nice welds and it doesn't look like a total missile car, even though it kind of is. But right now we're polishing the bracket that we're gonna go from the like shifter area to where the radio used to be. We're just gonna polish that, clean it up some. Alright, well we've got the plate in there and pretty much mocked up. We're gonna weld the plate in, then we're gonna weld the hydro to the plate, and we're gonna see how it works. So we cut this, that way it fits around the hydro. So we're only gonna run 3 bolts there, but it'll hold, it'll be fine. We got all that mounted and now we gotta assemble everything. All right, so we got it all done, we got it put back together, and it clears first gear, clears second gear, and even clears the e-brake, even when I pull the e-brake. So it literally clears everything. We can get a full pull on it too. Everything works great. So it should be good. Now we just got to run all the lines from back here, hook everything up, hook the dual caliper up, and we'll be in business. All right, so we just got everything done. It's all welded in, it's all good. And we might go out and actually bust a couple donuts, goof around before we head out of here. Alright, I really just can't wait until I get everything hooked up, but it's working perfect. I mean, obviously it's not doing anything yet because it's not connected, but I mean, it's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. The welds are great, we trimmed that. It's perfect. Now I just gotta hook everything up. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Thank you for watching, and in the next video I'll have everything hooked up hopefully, and might even do a DIY on it because there's not a lot of videos on hydros and there's nobody with a Sikky hydro brand that has put in a Z yet. So I kind of will show how I mounted it and how I ran all the stuff. But again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Check out Full Lock Drift Shop up here in Jacksonville. They do amazing work. Ask for Bruno, tell them Smokey Drift sent you, and they'll take good care of you guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.